Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to be unboxing my latest Amazon purchase. This is the pair of wireless Bluetooth earbuds from the brand TikBic, T-I-K-B-I-C. As with all my purchases, I like doing these videos in case there's somebody else out there thinking about buying the same item. They want to get an idea of what does it look like when it comes in, what's quality like, etc. Hopefully you're going to be able to see this. Tell you what, let me take the plastic off. They are sealed in plastic, which I like. I always like these items that are sealed in plastic just to make sure I'm not getting a return product. Now hopefully you'll be able to see the box a little bit better. Should be pretty basic, not a whole lot of specifications on them. But let's open them up, take a look at them. I'm getting these because my company is implementing a policy where they want people wearing buds instead of earphones because they think it looks more professional. So we'll be trying these out. Instruction manual should be pretty simple. These use Bluetooth 5.3 chip. Some accessories. Should just be our charging cable. Some extra earbuds. And then a USB Type-C charging cable. And then the case itself and the earbuds. What I like about these is it's got the charging indicator and it shows each level of charging. So you'll notice when I take the right one out, no longer shows that it's being charged. Some of the cases you get don't show charging at all, or they don't show it per earbud, and I wanted some to have it per earbud. Wow, these are really slick. Really nice looking. This is gray over here on the side, and then this is like a stainless down here at the bottom. So pretty fancy looking. And I'll show you the that's going to be your input for your charging cable. And as with other ones, you charge the case up, and then the case will keep your earbuds fully charged. Anyway, that's an unboxing. I hope it helps.